Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Enrique Fuentes, a tourism student. Today I would like to talk about time zones. How to calculate time zones. As all we know, time clocks are depending on where you are, but there are a lot of time around the world. For example, if you travel from London to Los Angeles, you will be 8 hours behind. So you will be hungry when you should be sleeping. That's an example. We are going to check more about time zones. Greenwich Mean Time, or GMT, is the time standard that originally refers to mean solar time at the Royal Greenwich Observatory in Greenwich, near London, England, which in 1984 was chosen by the International Meridian Conference as the prime meridian. Before the introduction of Coordinated Universal Time (UTC) on January 1, 1972, Greenwich Mean Time, also known as Sully Time, was the same as Universal Time, which is a standard astronomical concept used in many technical fields. Astronomers no longer use the term Greenwich Mean Time. In the UK, a standard time zone is defined as a geographical area or region through which the same standard time is observed. A time zone item specifies an international time zone indicated by an Western Hemisphere prime meridian. To the west of the prime meridian, such as Canada, it will be a later time. Example: Greenland is one time zone to the west of Greenwich, so it's 1 hour left of Greenwich to determine a time day. If the time is 4:17 Greenwich, it will be 3:17 in Eastern Hemisphere. To the east of the prime meridian, Australia, it will the earlier time in Greenwich. Example: in Oslo, in Norway, is one time zone of the east of Greenwich, so I will add 1 hour to the Greenwich. If it's 4:44 Greenwich, it will be 5:44 in Oslo. Well guys, we continue talking about time zones. Here we have the line prime meridian, west and eastern hemisphere. For example, if the time is 1:10 p.m. Greenwich, what time it will be in Moscow, Russia? It will be 4:10 in Moscow. If the time is 2:20 p.m. in Greenwich, what time it will be in Pakistan? It will be 7:20 p.m. in Pakistan. Well, we continue. The Western Hemisphere is hours left. Remember, if the time is 4:70 Greenwich, what time it will be in Peru? It will be 11:17 in Peru. If the time is 5:15 Greenwich, what time it will be in Argentina? It will be 1:15 in Argentina. Well guys, we continue talking with the example. If the time is 6:10 Greenwich, what time it will be in Brazil? It will be 3:10 in Brazil. Only to remember, Peru is 5 hours left. Argentina is 4 and Brazil is 3 hours left. Like here, the same. In Russia is 3 hours left, and in Pakistan is 5 hours more. Russia 3 hours more, and Pakistan 5 hours more. Well, that's all with the example. Thank you so much.